Assalamu alaikum students. As we are studying about even and odd numbers, today our practice sheets from 10 to 12. Let's start.
Write even or odd in front of the given numbers. First number is 2. 2 is even because it is divisible by 2, so it is an even number. Next number is 15. It is an odd number because it is not divisible by 2 and it has also 5 in their ones place. The next number is 9. It is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. That's why this is an odd number. 3 threes are 9. So we will write here odd. Next number is 23. 23 has 3 in their ones place. So it is an also odd number. We will write here odd. The next number is 16. It is divisible by 2. 2 eights are 16 and it has also 6 in their ones place. So it is an even number. Next number is 64. It is also divisible by 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 twos are 4 and it has also 4 in their ones place. So it is an also even number. The next one is 42. It has also 2 in their ones place, so it is also even number. It can be divisible by 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. The next number is 79. It is not divisible by 2 and it has 9 in their ones place, so it is an odd number. We will write here odd. Okay students, move to the next question. Separate the even and odd number from the given numbers. Here the sum numbers are given and we have to separate out even and odd columns. First number is 8 and it is already written in the even side. Number 12 has 2 in their ones place, so it is an even number. We will put the 12 in the evens column. The next number is 25. It has 5 in their ones place, so it is odd number. We will put the 25 into odds column. As it is already written here, the next number is 31. It has 1 in their ones place, so it is also odd number. We will put the 31 into the odds column. The next number is 40. It has 0 in their ones place, so it is an even number. It will be go into the evens column. The next number is 54. 54 has 4 in their ones place. 54 is also an even number. We will put the 54 into the evens column. The next number is 67. 67 has 7 in their ones column. So 67 is an odd number. We will put the 67 into the odds column. The next number is 41. 41 has 1 in their ones column, so it is also an odd number. We will put the 41 into the odds column. The next number is 76. 76 has 6 in their ones column, so 76 is an even number. So 76 will come here. The next number is 53. 53 has 3 in their ones column, so 53 is also an odd number. We will put the 53 into the odds column.
The next number is 82. 82 has 2 in their ones place, so 82 is an even number.
We will put the 82 in the evens column. The next number is 71. 71 has 1 in their ones column, so 71 is an odd number. The next number is 90. 90 has 0 in their ones column. 90 is also an even number. We will write 90 here. Next number is 95. 95 has 5 in their ones column, so 95 is an odd number. We will put the 95 into the odds column. Okay students, so the even numbers are 8, 12, 40, 54, 76, 82 and 90. And the odd numbers are 25, 31, 67, 41, 53, 71 and 95. Move to the next page. Next page is 11. Exercise 2, question 1. Write the number of the following objects and identify whether they are even or odd numbers. In the first picture, the objects number are 3. So we will write here 3, and 3 is an odd number. The odd will come here. Now count these objects: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Number of objects is 11. We will write here 11. 11 is an odd number because it has 1 in their ones column. So we will write here odd. Now count these bags: 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of bags are 4. We will write here 4, and 4 is an even number, so we will write here even. Now count these objects: 1 and 2. We will write here 2, and 2 is even, so we will write here even. Now count these objects: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of objects are 6, and 6 is an even number. Now count these ones: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of objects are 5, and 5 is an odd number. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The number of objects are 9, and 9 is an odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number of objects are 8, and 8 is an even number. The next page is 12. Identify even and odd from the given numbers and write them separately in the box provided. The first number is 1. 1 is not divisible by 2, so it is an odd number. We will put the 1 into the odd side. The next number is 8. 8 is an even number because it is divisible by 2. So we will write here into the evens column. The next number is 7. 7 is an odd because it is not divisible by 2. So we will write into the odds column. Next number is 10. 10 is an even number because it is divisible by 2. So we will put into the evens column. Next number is 23. 23 is an odd number because it is not divisible by 2. So we will put into the odds column. Number is 14. 14 is divisible by 2 and it has 4 in their ones place, so it is an even number, so it will go into the even column. Next number is 15. 15 is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3 and it has 5 in their ones place, so it is an odd number. It will go into the odds column. Next number is 30. 30 is an even number because it is divisible by 2. 2 15s are 30 and it has 0 in their ones place. So it is an even number and it will go into the even column. Next number is 35. 35 is not divisible by 2 and it has 5 in their ones place, so it will go into the odd column. Next is 42. 42 is an even number because it has 2 in their ones place and it is also divisible by 2. So we will write here. 55 has 5 in their ones place, so it is an odd number. It will go into the odds column. Similarly, we will put the remaining numbers according to the rule. So the even numbers are 8, 10, 14, 30, 42, 68, 72, 82, 96 and 100. And the odd numbers are 1, 7, 23, 15, 35, 55, 65, 79, 83 and 91. Next, question number 3. Write the odd numbers in between the given numbers.
Here we have to write the odd numbers between 4 and 16, the odd numbers that are not divisible by 2. So these are 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Now the part 2, 20 and 34. Here we have to write the odd numbers between 20 and 34. 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31 and 33.
These all are odd numbers between 20 and 34. Numbers are not divisible by 2 and it has also in their ones place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1 and 3. Here we have to write the even numbers between 1 and 10.
Here we have to write the even numbers between 1 and 10, and that are 2, 4, 6 and 8. These all are even numbers because these are divisible by 2.
Part 2, 21 and 35. Here we have to write the even numbers between 21 and 35. And these numbers are 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32 and 34. These all are even numbers between 21 and 35 and it is divisible by 2 and these all numbers have in their ones place 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4. Okay students, move to the next question. Question number 5. Separate the even and odd numbers from the following. By separating them into even and odd numbers column, the even numbers will be 2, 18, 28, 56, 80, 84, 90, 94, 98 and 100. And the odd numbers will be 5, 9, 21, 35, 67, 73, 79, 87, 93, 95 and 97. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.